Hello everybody, Kase Ford here, Welding Instructor here at Tulsa Welding School, and today we're going to be doing some MIG hardwire. We're going to run our route downhill, and then we're going to go over it with our fill and cap going uphill. It's a crazy process, but it's pretty neat and it looks awesome when it's done. So let's jump into it. All right, here we go. Take your time, want to leave that puddle going all the way down. Keep it nice and uniform. All right, got a solid root pass in. We ran it at 16.5 volts and around 180 wire speed. Now we're going to crank up our volts to 18.5 and going to turn up our wire feed speed to about 200. All right, so we're going to brush up our plate here. And clip the end of our wire. All right. So we welded our route downhill. Now we're going to start at the bottom and work our way up to the top. We're going to be using a weave method. Now it's important that you pause on the sides but zoom across the middle. You want to pause on the sides to ensure that you have no undercut. All right, and you zoom across the middle, that way the crown of your weld isn't super high. You want it to be nice and even all the way across. So let's get into it. I like to have a little counting method in my head, kind of like you're doing the walk. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That helps me keep track of my pace and rhythm. Now vertical, like I said before, is one of my favorite positions to weld in. It's a challenge. I like challenges. All right, we're nearing the top now. All right, I think that waltz came out pretty good. Now, the amount of spatter that comes out is very common with hardwire. I like to have my arc control setting, the -10, it reduces it quite a bit. Now they do have spray material out there in the field, that way when the spatter does hit your plate, it kind of skids right off. But, I mean, anywhere you go, you're gonna have to clean up your plate anyways, but that's the outcome and I think it came out great. So this is our MIG weld on vertical T-plate. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. If you would like to get some more tips and tricks and become a better welder, then subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to learn even more right now, then click on our link. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.